Stressed about IELTS Speaking Part 2? We've got your back, let's dive in. Alright, IELTS Warriors, Part 2 is all about planning and practice. This section can be a bit daunting, but with the right approach you can ace it. Start with a brain map. Jot down main ideas quickly. This helps you organize your thoughts and ensures you cover all aspects of the question. For example, if the question is about giving an expensive gift, think about the gift, the person, the time, and the reason. Break it down into smaller parts to make it easier to talk about. Here's a model answer. If I save a lot of money, I'd love to gift my parents a trip around the world. This not only shows your ability to think creatively, but also your ability to plan and articulate your thoughts clearly. My parents work really hard, and they've always dreamed of traveling. This gives a personal touch to your answer, making it more engaging and relatable. Saving up might take about 2 years, but it would be worth it. This shows your understanding of the effort and time required to achieve your goal. They deserve this break, and I'd love to see them explore new places together. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Keep practicing your answers and you'll nail it. Practice with friends, record yourself, and listen to your answers to identify areas for improvement. Good luck and happy studying. Surround yourself with supportive friends who can give you constructive feedback. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IELTS tips. Join online communities to share your experiences and learn from others.